How's it going, guys? This is Kevin with Pacifica Tiny Homes. We're back with another video. We actually attended a couple of expos and we're going to be attending Fresno this weekend as well. But today, the main topic is going to be about what kind of vehicle can you use to transport a tiny house, okay? So we're going to show you guys what vehicle you need to use. Right behind me, we have a 2500 Dodge Ram Bighorn. We typically use the Bighorns because it can tow up to 22,000 pounds, and our homes range from 9,000 pounds to 14,000 pounds. So this truck is amazing. What kind of engine does it have? Well, let's check it out. Typically, the Dodge Ram 2500s, we use the Dodge Cummins. It's very good for towing. It's iconic, and it's a really great vehicle and engine to be able to transport these homes. We had no problems, at ease. It's super simple and not as hard, okay? But you can use an F-250 Power Stroke and a Chevy 2500 HD Duramax. Just always make sure the towing capacity of what these vehicles can do. Some range from 16,000 to 22,000. The Bighorn edition is up to 19,000 pounds, depending on what trailer you use. This one's just a Bighorn, so it's a standard, not a long bed, but it's a good 6 foot and 2 inches in length on the Bighorn edition, okay? Just to let you guys know something very simple, the way we tow our homes is simplified. A lot of people think that we use goosenecks. No, we use a standard 2 and 5/16 hitch. You always want to make sure the towing capacity of this one right here is 14,000 pounds. We always want to make sure you get a durable, heavy duty hitch. You don't want to get something standard where it's going to break off. You want to get a heavy duty. It's up to 30 to 80 bucks, and you can hitch it up into your truck, and that's about it. It's so simple to hitch up a tiny house the way we build it in Pacifica Tiny Homes onto your truck, 2500 and up, okay? So simple. We drive it all the time through all our expos across the country, and it's no problem for us. There's no sway. These trailers are built with durability and also great for weight distribution of the tiny house, because the tiny house is on top of the trailer. And same thing with here on this hitch. It's nicely hitched. You want to make sure it's nice and tucked with your tow hitch walls inside here, and that's it. I mean, it's simple, you know? It's so simplified, and that's all I want to let you guys know. So if you guys want to tow a tiny house, or you want to tow your own tiny house that you purchase from us or anybody's, just get yourself a 2500 Power Stroke, a Cummins, or a Duramax. Us, we highly recommend the Bighorn 2500. The Dodge Ram is really reliable. We've been using it for the past 5 years. When we started our business, we've been using the Dodge Ram, and it gave us no problems. This Dodge Ram can actually tow all our tiny houses that we have here. 32 footer, 20 footer, 22 footer, 18 footer, and a 22 footer. All these right here can be towed by this bad girl right here, Dodge Ram Cummins. If you guys want more videos like this, please let us know. Subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up. We want to make more content for you guys. Therefore, you guys can be entertained. You guys are well informed of what we do here in Pacifica Tiny Homes. We want to make sure we showcase everything that we do when it comes to building our homes, when it comes to delivering them, when it comes to what we use to be able to hitch it onto the truck, and everything that you see right there. If you guys have anything that rings your bell, that you're curious, or you want to know more exactly what you can do, where you can place it, we can give you videos of that. Therefore, there's a demonstration of what we do here in Pacifica Tiny Homes. All right, guys? So make sure you guys give us a thumbs up. We like and appreciate everything that you guys do for us, and we're going to continue to give you guys more and more content in the future. Follow us on TikTok, Pacifica Tiny Homes, and also on YouTube, and also our Facebook and our Instagram. We have an amazing amount of content for you guys to be able to see and acknowledge and, like. All right, guys, so don't be